Hello everyone, thanks for watching. Wanted to let everyone know that I am pretty new to this YouTube stuff. So I decided for my second video that I would just give you all a short tutorial of what my website offers. So basically we start off with the over 20 million products that are available on my Amazon site. So you basically click here and it'll automatically take you straight into Amazon, as you can see there. Now, if we go back to my website, you can then look at many different news articles in regards to the latest products and the latest news on the products. So it's pretty cool. Not only can you shop, but you can also read some daily news articles, and you basically just click on the article itself and it would take you into just some various news article descriptions and what exactly is going on in the world today. Now, if we move on to About Us, as you guys know, that just gives you a brief description of what I offer and what my website offers. Now, if we move into, of course, Shop Amazon, again, that will take you directly to Amazon and you can decide on whatever it is that you'd like to purchase. Now, if we move on to Tech Deals, in here is where you'll find a whole bunch of surprises where you'll get awesome discounts on many products. Now, if we move on to Contact Us, well, that will just give you 24/7 support if needed. Okay. Now, in the future, I will be creating another video where I will show you yourself how to become an Amazon and eBay affiliate. So you're making tons of cash and you're doing it straight from home. So you're basically making money while you sleep. If anyone is interested in finding out more about this, please comment down below. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and like to my videos, and the link for my website is down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.